Hey guys, it's Megan, and today in this video, I will be doing whatever I want. Yeah. So, as I said, I don't actually talk like this. I actually talk like this. Ooh, it's amazing how your voice can change to all the idiots that actually think I talk like that. Okay, but anyways, yeah. My voice also sounds a lot different on video than in real life, so, yeah. But anyways, comment down below, though, what some video ideas, because I don't know what to do, but I want to show you some fortune tellers I made. Look at that one. Look at that one. Oh, my fingernails look disgusting. Then I made a small one. And then I made a big one, and I put the other ones there. Yeah. I'll show you guys my Xbox games. Oh yeah, I was gonna make a video about me burping the alphabet. I'll do that after this. This one I bought with my own money because one of my friends had it, and it's just a game for me to play when I'm bored. Got that at GameStop. This one my cousins gave me because that's where I got my Xbox from. This one too. This one I got with my own money. I like this game the most. This one my cousins gave me. This one's my cousin gave me. And this one's my cousin gave me. I like this one too. The Call of Duty ones are okay. But anyways, I'm gonna play these things. I can also sing the Spanish alphabet. I'll base it. No, I'm actually not going to do that. Because I know how to do that in my real life. And yeah, I ain't doing that. Yeah. So, anyways, in the comments down below, if you have any video ideas or suggestions, please leave those in the comments down below. Except for a room tour, because I don't have the time for that. Because that means I have to clean my closet, and that's going to take me way too long. Yeah, but I'm going to paint my room blue soon. But anyways, today I will do the outro in my real voice. So, anyways, please like this video. And subscribe. Because you should do that. So, I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Wrong hand.